So for the Chapter 6 video blog, I chose to talk about question 4, which is to choose a comprehension strategy and then plan a lesson to teach the comprehension strategy with expository and narrative texts. So I would teach graphic organizers as a comprehension strategy by first using Think, Pair, Share, which is a different comprehension strategy where students think about a question and then talk with the neighbor about the question, and then they talk with the whole class about it. And so I would introduce Think, Pair, Share earlier in the year and then use graphic organizers later. And so I would teach how to use a T-chart and a Venn diagram as a comprehension strategy after doing a Think, Pair, Share about the differences between fiction and nonfiction. And I would first introduce a T-chart and have the students tell me what they know about fiction text and what they know about nonfiction text, and write one on each side of the T-chart. And then I would have them learn about Venn diagrams, which are similar to T-charts in the comparing and contrasting sense, except in the middle there is a section for similarities, and so I would explain that to students and have them look at the differences between T-charts and Venn diagrams and essentially copy one side of a T-chart into one side of the Venn diagram and the other side into the other, and in the middle we would talk about similarities between the two texts. And so then I would choose a specific nonfiction and fiction book to read for whatever unit I was doing at the time, and then I would have the students use a T-chart first and then transition into the Venn diagram to compare and contrast and to help them learn the comprehension strategy by using the graphic organizer, because that'll help them better visualize what they're learning, and hopefully that will aid in their comprehension of the overall text in the end.